Namaste. My name is Ghosh. Today I want to explain the integrals problems. So integral problems. So it is a one important conditions to evaluate integrals of the form. First one is integrated px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Second one is integration of px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Third one is integrate px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So what is the working rule here? Working rule is px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. So you want to find here a and b values. A and b values you are finding for the conditions, that is a partial fractions conditions. Okay, now I want to solve these problems by using some examples. See the example. Integration of x plus 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 into dx. I want to find out this one. Okay, what is px plus q here? Ax plus 1. So the x plus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12 plus b. So I want to find out the a value and b value. How we can find this is, so x plus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 12. That is x square value 2x plus d by dx of 3x is 3, d by dx of constant is a 0. So remaining is a b. Now I want to find out the a value and b value. So the x coefficient, compare coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 1. Coefficient of is a is 2 into a, 2a. Now I want to find out the constant. Otherwise put x equal to 0 also. Put x equal to 0. Other we want to use constant. So put x equal to 0 is, first one is a 1. So a into 3, that is a 3a plus b. So here a is equal to half. Now we want to find out the b value. So 1, 3a, a value half, that is 1 minus 3 by 2 is equal to b. So it is nothing but 2 minus 3, it is a b. So b value minus half is equal. What is the x plus 1? X plus 1 is nothing but a value is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into what is the 2x plus 1? Where is 2x plus 3 plus b value is minus half. Minus half. I want to find this one. In the place of x plus 1, so I want to drop this one. In the place of x plus 1, I want to substitute in the place of x plus 1. So in the place of x plus 1, I want to write here half into 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 12 minus half into dx. Now I want to divide here partially, that is a half integration 2x plus 3 by x square plus 3x plus 12 into dx minus half into, this is 1 by x square plus 3x plus 12 dx. Okay, ma? Just so observe, this is the one condition. What is the condition? See the condition, integration of f dash of x by f of x. We have the rule is log of f of x. Observe here, f of x value is x square plus 3x plus 12. So f dash of x means this is a d by dx. So x square value is a 2x plus 3x value is 3, 2x plus 3. So see, this is the f dash of x differentiation, and this is the function f of x. So what is the condition? Log f of x. So log of f of x, this is f of x. So f of x value x square plus 3x plus 12. This is completed. Minus next half integration 1 by, observe this is x square plus 3x plus 12. I want to write in a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. See, this one is x square plus formula 2. So 2 into a value x, b value 3. But 2 3s are 6, but it is only 3. So I want to write 3 by 2. So, but here 12 here, it is a 3 by 2 whole square. I want to add 1 3 by 2 one time, minus 3 by 2 one time. Plus what is remaining here 12. It is nothing but a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? X plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 whole square minus. I want to simplify this one. See one. This is nothing but 3 square minus 3 square. 3 square value 9. 2 square value 4 plus 12. 4 is LCM minus 9 plus 12 4 is 48. 48 minus 9, that is a 39 plus 39. So it is a 39 by 4. 39 by 4 I want, right? 39 root 39. 39 by 4 I want, right? Root 39 by 2 whole square. Root 39 by whole square dx. See, it is a plus b whole square. It is this form you can written in the form x plus 3 by 2 whole square, a plus b whole square minus remaining this constant 3 by plus 3 by 2 one time minus 3 by 2, which is cancellation. So by simplification, this is 39 by 4. 39 by 4 you want to write in a square form. Root 39, root and square root cancel, 2 square value 4. That is root 39 by 2. Okay. What is the formula this one? What is the formula of this one? See the formula also here. That is the integration of 1 by x square plus a square dx. So it is nothing but 1 by a into tan inverse x by a formula. So x value here x plus 3 by 2. Okay, ma? This is nothing but log of x square plus 3x plus 12 minus half into. So what is a value? A value is a value. This is a value. What is a value? A value is root 39 by 2. Root 39 by 2. 1 by a. 1 by a. That is the reciprocal of 2 by root 39 into tan inverse of what is the function here? X value. It is x value. X value is x plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 by a. That is a value. A value is root 39 by 2. So plus we want to take plus c. So 2 get cancelled. This is the way of the finding the integrals of one condition. What is the condition? Integration of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. It is the one condition. Okay. Go for another example. See the another example, ma. See that another example. Integration of 2x plus 5. That is the square root of 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Now you want to find out same condition here also we can apply. This is the 2x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b. See, it is a into x square value 2x, right? Very good. X square value 2x. D by dx of 2x is a 2. That is a 2 plus b. X square value is 2x. 2x value is 2. And d by dx of 10 is the constant. It is a constant. Now we want to find out 2x plus 5. Find the value of a. So compare the coefficients of x. X coefficient is 2. Here a into 2, 2a. A into 2a. That is 2 to get cancelled, a value 1. Substitute b where x coefficient is x value is 0. Otherwise compare with the constant. Here constant is a 5. 5 is equal to minus 2a plus b. 5. A value 1. That is a minus 2 transform is plus 2. It is a b. So b value is 7. So what we want to write here? This is the condition. 2x plus 5 is equal to a value. So this is the a value. This is the a value. A value 1. 1 into what is the 2x minus 2? This is the 2x minus 2 plus b value. B value is 7. So in the place of 2x plus 5, we want to write 1 into 2x minus 2 plus 7. Okay, ma? Next write down here. Integration of 2x minus 2 plus 7 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Okay. Next, apply this is integration of 2x minus 2 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 dx plus integration of 7 into 1 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into dx. Next, observe it is x square differentiation to x differentiation is 2x minus 2, but it is a form, so note of the form is integration of f dash of x by root f of x. F dash of x by root f of x, it is nothing but 2 into square root of f of x. So in the place this one you want to write here 2 into integration of f of x, that is x square minus 2x plus 10 plus 7 into integration of this one. I have same procedure ma. This one also you want to write, this is x square minus 2x plus 10, that is a minus b whole square. See, a minus b whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is nothing but x square minus 2 into a value x, b value is 1 plus this 10 I want to write 1 square plus 9 square. This is x minus 1 whole square plus 9 square, sorry, it is a 3 square is a 9 plus 3 square dx. So this is the formula. We have the one formula square, that is the formula integration of square root of 1 by x square plus a square dx. It is the formula of is sin h inverse x by a, sin h inverse x by a. So the form is 2 into square root of x square minus 2x plus 10 into 10 plus 7 into, so that is sin h inverse x value x minus 1 by 3 plus c. This is the conditions. We can apply the integrations by applying the conditions. Okay, ma? So we have so many problems in integration example. Thank you very much.